Hi, I'm Mom and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. My channel is all about doing lots and lots of DIYs and everything that is related to home within budget. Look around, and if you love the content of my channel, please subscribe to my channel and do hit that little bell icon twice so that you're notified each time I post my video. Today I am participating in a beautiful challenge that is called 2020 DIY Christmas in July. This is being hosted by Kerry from MomDas to DIY and Keisha from Sweet Urban Rose. The links to both the ladies' channels and to the playlist that they have created is in the description box of my video. I'm trying to make a mini wreath, so this is a little bangle. And I have some clear tape and some fillers. These are dried fillers from a bouquet, and I'm going to take these greens out and make little bunches. They easily come out, and I'm going to hold them like bunches. Some of them might just fall, it's okay. And using a tape, just wrap it around. I can trim it off later on. Now when I add the second bunch, I'll overlap the first one. And go on doing it till I finish the full circle. Now here is my wreath form ready. Isn't this cute, small and beautiful? Now I'll go with the traditional Christmas colors, and I have these little flowers. These are plastic flowers, but they have this shine in them with a metallic surface at the back. I'm going to glue them here on. These are 5. I've picked 5 for these, and I'm going to glue them on this wreath. So now, having glued it, I'll let it dry and my mini wreath is ready. Now keeping this aside, I have this little block of wood. It's not exactly wood, it's resin, plastic, I don't know, something which is used nowadays for framing purposes, and it was just a piece of it I had with me, and it has this slanting side on one side and the other side is flat, which can stand straight on any flat surface like this. And I'm going to use this slant to look like a rooftop, and I'm going to make a barn house or a little farmhouse out of this block. Now this is already painted in golden color with shadings as that of a rustic wood, so I need not do anything more with it, but if you prefer, you can add your own choices of colors. Now to make the rooftop, I'm taking a piece of cardboard, and now I have taken a cardboard which will stand like this. Now I've made it a little overhanging like the regular roofs are, and I'm going to glue it here. So adding some craft glue here, and I'll fix it like this. I'll wait till this dries. Now while the roof dries, I want to make a little door here. So I've taken some cardstock paper in white because it will stand out well against the surface, and I have measured it slightly so that how much I want, and I'll cut a piece of rectangle out for making the door. Now to give more defined look as that of the barn wood, I'm going to make some more detailed work on this door. Now with the door ready, I'll just use some brown felt pen to make a doorknob and highlight it with some more black. Now while my roof is drying, I want to add some snow here. Now for making snow, I'm going to take some cotton and spread it like a sheet. Next, I'm going to add some glue here. And fix this cotton such that it's slightly overhanging on the edges. Now here is the door and here is the rooftop. So after struggling for a while with some glue and cotton, I finally managed to get my rooftop on. Now on this surface, leaving this part empty, I'm going to write the words Merry here. Now finally in this part, top 1/3, I'm going to add some double-sided tape here in the center because this is very hard surface. I cannot add a pin there, so I'm using a double-sided tape, and here I'm attaching the mini wreath that we created. And so our little house, Christmas house, is ready for Christmas in July. Every day, every month is perfect to bring in some faith, some cheer, some happiness. I hope you liked my today's DIY. My little wreath, I love the colors in green and red, a little shine of the metal through this. It's cute, don't you think so? And my Christmas house decked in Christmas colors, snow, red, green, the word Merry on the house, and the little door. I think it's just perfect. Do let me know what you think about my today's DIY in the comment section below. And if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe to my channel and come back for more videos. And write down your comments. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it. I will see you very soon in my next DIY, in my next video. Until then, be positive, be creative, and be happy. Thank you everybody for your time and support.